Hi, I'm Beth Mullen. I'm the Executive Director of Rock Creek Conservancy. It's the best job in Washington. Rock Creek Conservancy works two ways to help protect Rock Creek. One is volunteer projects in the parks, and we love it when people volunteer. And we have what we call stream teams along the full length of Rock Creek in over 65 different neighborhoods where people can come out and volunteer right near where they live to help the area of park right where they are. Rock Creek Conservancy was founded in 2005 to protect and restore Rock Creek. A group of people got together and thought there ought to be an organization that really works to take care of the creek. It's a great way to be outside as well as giving back to your community. We have loved being at Bethesda Green. We get to meet people that we wouldn't ordinarily have a chance to meet. People in the business community, other nonprofits, just other people who care about the environment are right there. Well, one of the first things that happened after we moved to Bethesda Green was we actually received the Bethesda Magazine Green Award. It's made us into a much more established organization, and that's really been a big win for us.